HTML quotations, we have the three types of tags. That will be the Q tag and block quotate tag. Okay, block quotate tag, and next cite tag. Okay, next already we have know this abbreviation tag. Okay, these four tags comes under quotations. Okay, HTML quotate tag, HTML quotations tag here, and next I'll tell you the explanation for this. Q tag means it is used for short line. Okay, short inline. It is used for short inline quotate. Okay, next here HTML block quotate. Here this block quotate means it is used for longer block level quotations. Okay, and next here cite means, here cite tag means defines the title of a creative work. Okay, so like any articles, books, etc. So abbreviation tag means, so it defines an abbreviation with a tooltip, abbreviation with a tooltip when you hovered on that abbreviation tag, so the some hint messages like that, it will be shown using this abbreviation tag only. Okay, next I'll show you the small example on this. Go to your Visual Studio Code. Create one file, that will be the quotations dot HTML. So this is the bytecode, and here I am setting the title name quotations HTML. Okay, so here I am going to setting the name, that will be the H2. This is the second highest tag. So here I am setting block quotate, and after that block quotate. Here I am taking, see here, one static text instead of quotations I am taking. So this is a block quotate. So here this happens, so it will be the tag. Okay, so see here what happens. So right click on your notepad, open in your browser. So here what happened, so how I am giving inside of the block quotations, so it is present like that only, it is not missed anything. So I have given the quotations type, but here see, observe, so here it will present the quotations type. Okay, so like that it will happens. And after that what we have, Q tag. Here I am taking H2 is the second highest tag. Q tag means what, that is the inline quotations, we call it as, right, inline quotations. So here this is, instead of P, this is a Q quotation tag. Okay, so the quotation has to be presented. Go to your browser, so refresh this one. So see here I didn't give any quotations there, so it is presented quotations using Q tag. Okay, so after that what we have, cite tag. Okay, So we will see what happened there. Cite tag. Okay, so here I'm taking inside of the P, this is a cite, this is a cite tag, this is a cite tag. So go to your browser and refresh this one. So cite tag as presented like a curve, so it is nothing but, and it is alternate tag for emphasized and italic as well. Okay, so next one, H2 abbreviation tag. Okay, ABB E abbreviation tag. Okay, so after that you can go and apply one using P tag. Here instead of the P tag you can use and open as well the abbreviation. So after that you can use title. Instead of the title I am writing what I am writing here, hypertext markup language. Okay, hypertext markup language I am using here. Here I am taking HTML. Here just normally I am giving, this is the foundation of web development. Okay, so go to your browser, refresh this one and see here it is presented. So it is, see here the tooltip has to be presented over there. So what the tooltip is shown the message over there, that will be the hypertext markup language. So like that it all the HTML quotations. So this is a different way to using, and we need to change the appearance of this HTML without CSS.